Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the computer class of Standard 9. We are discussing chapter number 14, that is email and security in internet. We have seen in the last video how to create the Gmail account. Today we are going to learn one application with which we can directly open our Gmail account and directly we can send the mail, and no need to go to open the browser and no need to open the website and then your account. Okay, we have a ready-made application where one time you can open your account and next time whenever you need, you just open the application and compose your email and you can send it to anyone. In our mobile also you can see Gmail application is given. What do you mean by Gmail application? There you just need to give your username and password and you will get your Gmail account there. No need to go to Google and open your Gmail, right? In the computer we have MS Outlook. In the Microsoft Office package, we are getting a software for it that is called Microsoft MS Outlook. That is also one mail client software. Okay, where what we have to do in that, one time we need to provide our username and password, and then whenever you want to send any message, any email, directly by opening that application you can send it. Okay, so that is mail client software, an application that runs on a personal computer and capable of sending, receiving and organizing email is called an email client. There are many such email clients available. Beside the basic facilities to manage emails, some email clients also provide features like quick search, saved search folders, advanced message filtering, message grouping and labels, help manage and find messages. Some popular examples of email clients are Thunderbird, Evolution, Closemail, Kmail, Balsa, Mutt and Pine, and many other are also there. Evolution is one of the efficient information managers as an email client that provides facility to manage email, address book, calendar and other tasks in one place. This Evolution is also one application, okay, which is used to send the mails. It can filter unwanted emails in secured fashion. It can be considered as a kind of groupware application. Now we'll see some of the advantages of using mail client software. When using a mail client, you need not to have to be always connected with the internet. Means once you open your internet, you open your mail client software and see and just download whatever emails are coming. Now you turn off your internet, it will remain there, your messages will remain there, you can open it and you can see it later also. Okay, you may connect once, download all your email, disconnect and read the emails when you want. This is very convenient, especially when connectivity to the internet is poor or inconsistent. Okay, so this benefit we are getting in the mail client. What is there if we open it in the browser and we need to open it in the website? At that time we need a full connection. Without connection you won't be able to open your Gmail account. That is the disadvantage of using website. Using mail client, directly we can open the software, download all your emails, connect with the internet. Now turn off your net and then also you can see your emails. You may also compose number of emails anytime, save it and send it later when you are connected to the internet. You can compose your emails also, anytime you can compose. Without internet connection you compose your mail and keep it in the drafts. When you connect with the internet, at that time you can send it. Mail clients are generally much faster and provide variety of facilities such as address books, calendars, etc. at one place. In one place you can get all these facilities. Not only multiple applications but multiple email accounts can be managed by most of the email clients. All email clients are giving facility to open more than one accounts in one application. Okay, from one place after configuring them once only. However, you need to install the software on your computer. If you want to use it, we need to install a software for it, mail client software. Okay. Further, such clients store messages and related information on your machine which can be used by people who have access to your computer. Now they are giving example of evolution application mail client software, how to open it and how to download it. Okay, so they have given it in the Ubuntu operating system, but if you are using Windows operating system, you can download MS Outlook. You can't download because it is coming in the Microsoft package, but you can download Gmail application also. Okay, where once you provide your application, once you provide your mail ID, and then you can use it. Okay, so this is the way how they have created the account in the mail. Now we'll see the end, what we are getting in the end. What is the end point of it? The end point will be here on page number 255. Once you provide your email and password, see here, this is the picture of the mail client software where you are getting all the buttons here for sending, for composing the mail, for replying it, for forwarding, to cut it, to copy it, to paste it, to search for any email. Okay, and here from. Now in the from, your mail ID will come by default, which you have provided when you have installed this software in your computer. Okay, so it will come by default. Now we need to mention the to whom you want to send the message. You type your subject, type your messages, what you want in the message box. Now show attachment bar. When you click on it, it will open an attachment file which you want to attach. Select the file and that file will be attached with your mail. And then you click on the send button, your message will be sent. Okay, so this is a ready-made application we are getting, where we are getting all the options of mail, right? So we need not to open the website and messages again and again, right? Now we are moving to the next topic, that is security and cryptography. Security, why security is needed. Okay, that we will see. Whenever we share information and resources using a public domain, we need to assure that only authentic people would use the resource. When you are sharing the resources, we need to be sure that only authentic person, no any unauthentic person is allowed to use your resources or your information. We need to protect our resources and information from unwanted people, right? Consider we have made banking system online using a website on the internet. It must be assured that only valid users can operate accounts. We need to see that only a valid users, means the persons those who are having account in the bank, then that persons only are allowed to use the banking website, and they only have the username and ID. No other persons are allowed to enter in the bank website and open their account. Okay, otherwise fraud may be committed and the bank no longer would be trusted. Agar aisa ho jaye, any fraud is coming, so no one will trust that bank, right? This is very fatal to the business. Students' marks, financial information, defense and other army operations, formulas and recipes for food items and drugs, etc. must be shared within selected group of users. Some sensitive information is there, so that also we need to share with some limited persons, not with everyone. Okay, so security is must at that time. The internet provides ways to share information and services across the world without any geographical barriers, but also invites possibility of malfunctioning and frauds. Malfunctioning means stealing. You might have heard that some sites were hacked by some person. We must save our valuable resources from such hackers. To take advantages of the internet platform for resource sharing and service providing, we must take care of security of the content from unwanted users such as hackers. The secured resource sharing helps in the ways as mentioned. Now, why we need security for our resources, for our website which we have put on internet? Why security is needed? So, first point is to protect our assets. We need to protect our assets. Assets means for bank, what is the asset? What is their asset? Their money, right? And for different government offices, their information is their asset. They need to protect it from any other persons, right? So we need security to protect our assets. Once an organization's resources are kept in a shared environment, they must be secured against unauthenticated users. Here resources include not only hardware and software but information also. Consider online document management system for a military office. Now we all know that military office, they have very sensitive data which cannot be known by any other person, not by us also. We are Indians, but we are also not allowed to see their information. So when they share their information, it must be secured, it must be in a secured way, right? Some sensitive documents must be shared among selected senior officers. This information in form of documents must be protected and kept hidden from public. Now second point is to survive in competitive scenario. Now days we know that so many users are there, okay. So we need to compete with other websites. So by developing proper security measures, if you don't have any security measures, then no one is going to get connection with your website, okay. So we need to give them security. Now see, this Paytm and many other payment applications are there. If they are not safe, is there anyone who is going to use it? No. Why? Because we are keeping our money in that application, we are sharing our money with that application. If it is not trusted, if it is not having any security, so no one is going to use the application, right? So they have to give the secured environment to the user so that they can trust that application or that website, right? By developing proper security measures, the organization may improve its brand and quality of the services. Good quality services improves degree of users acceptance and earn competitive advantages over the other organizations in the similar business. Network security counts much when it comes to financial and e-commerce applications. Online shopping sites, telephone bill payments and banking systems are the example of systems. Okay, now next is to provide better services to users. Organizations must ensure safe and secure transactions to their users. Now we need to give better services to users also. Okay, such transactions are always preferable to practice many software quality standards. Improves organization reliability in users' minds and improve customer relationship with the organization. If you give a secured information, if your website is secured, then many people will willing to use your application, right? So we need to give them better services. By managing proper security to the resources and services, we ensure authentic use of the content. Further, we need to identify weakness of the existing system. The weakness of the existing system often called vulnerabilities. Okay, if you have some problem in the existing system, we need to approve it. Right, to provide sufficient level of security and to ensure smooth business, we need to learn about various types of risk, possible attacks and threats that cause harm to the computing system. Now we will see which type of attacks are done on our system, that is called viruses. Okay, a virus is a parasite program. Parasite means they are dependent on any host, okay, that comes along with software. Many times we use some fancy and attractive software from the internet. Now how viruses are coming in our computer? But directly they are not coming in our computer. Remember this thing, they need a program for it to get into our system. Same like any mosquitoes are there, any diseases there like malaria. Directly malaria can't affect you, okay, but they need a host to get entry inside our body, right? So which host they are using? They are using mosquitoes. Malaria mosquitoes are there. When they bite us, then this disease will go inside our body, right? So malaria is called parasite disease. Same here, viruses are also parasite programs. They need a host to enter inside our computer, right? Many times when we use some fancy and attractive software from the internet, virus may come. Just like a biological virus, it requires a host to hide it and to function. When the host program is executed, the virus is spread. When the infected program is shared through mail or other devices like pen drive, the receiving computer may be infected with virus. Once a virus reaches to a computer, it normally multiplies itself. One can protect such virus attacks by implementing virus scanning programs available on market. We have multiple antivirus softwares. We need to use it to protect our system from the virus attacks. Okay, it to be noted that most of the virus scanning programs are effective against known virus. Now we know within a minute we are getting multiple new viruses in the internet. Okay, so what this antivirus software is doing, it is protecting your computer from unwanted attacks. Okay, but it is also, that software is also limitation, because that software can protect your computer with the known viruses. If unknown viruses are coming, then that software is also helpless. Okay, so we need to be sure when you attach any pen drive with your computer, or when you attach your computer with internet, you need to be sure to have a secured connection. Okay, so that your computer may be protected from unwanted attacks. Now next topic we will see in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye everyone.